In the next week, I'll be travelling for the first time to Peru in South America to meet up with my sister Angie, brother-in-law Tony and their friends Nick and Leslie.
Good job they send the big taxi!
Together, we will be trekking along the Inca Trail to reach the lost city of Machu Picchu.
Easy peasy, lemon squeeze. Right?
We've arranged a private trek with Enigma Adventure Tours. A 4-day, 3-night adventure following a 26-mile trail to reach the iconic Inca Citadel on the 4th day at sunrise. My journey begins at London Heathrow,
Good luck, Dave!
taking an 11.5-hour flight to Bogota in Colombia. From there I take a second 3-hour flight to Lima in Peru, where I meet up with my trek companions. A final 1.5-hour flight takes us to the fascinating city of Cusco. It's the capital of the Inca Empire. We'll spend 2 days in Cusco, acclimatizing to the high altitude, before setting off on this amazing adventure.
So good morning, this is the last day. Today we reach Machu Picchu 3:30 in the morning. It's pitch black. Oh my god. Here we are at the Machu Picchu checkpoint. Day 4. Gracias. Here we go. Final day. I've got a bit of video. Alright folks.
That's where we were yesterday. Down there.
These are the monkey steps. What's my hair look like? Yay!
I'll drop something at the bottom. Would you mind going back down for me, Tim?
Bugger off.
Tim? It was the monkey steps, was it?
Monkey steps, I reckon, yeah.
Nearly there, mate. Prepare yourselves.
Into the sun gate. You ready? Oh my lord. Here we go. How are you, Hammy? Jesus. We made it! Ah.
right under the tree.
Oh, hi. Sorry.
Over there. Miles.
Wow, look at that. Brilliant. It's the Temple of Three Windows, and that's the Temple of Rainbows. And that was about it. We'd made it. The 26 miles along the Inca Trail to reach Machu Picchu. It was definitely about the journey rather than the destination. Machu Picchu is an iconic, stunning and amazing place, but I think it will be the hike to get there that we will all remember more. We left the citadel after more tales of its history and people from our excellent guide Jaime, had our official final stamp in our passports and took the tourist bus down the winding road down to the busy little town of Aguas Calientes. We'd have another night here to give us a chance to revisit the citadel and climb a further 350 metres to reach the peak of Huayna Picchu. The mountain which is the backdrop to Machu Picchu and is said to have been the residence of the high priest and the local virgins. Every morning before sunrise, the high priest with a small group would walk to Machu Picchu to signal the coming of a new day. The climb and descent was another amazing experience, and it was definitely a bonus to our trail journey so far. A stunning train ride back to Cusco would end our Peruvian adventure, where our group would say our goodbyes and would make our way homewards, enlightened, honoured and feeling very lucky to have had the chance of this trip of a lifetime.